Hello, my name is Maria de Los Angeles Mendoza Gonzalez, and today I'm going to talk about some issues when doing research. Okay, let me show you this. Okay. Well, this is issues in collecting data. Okay. And the topic is triangulation, the values of multiple perspectives. Okay. What is triangulation? It consists of having two or more perspectives when doing research. According to the NC in 1970, it can take several different forms. So there can be a investigator triangulation. And in this case, it means that it can be not only one person who's going to do the research, so there can be other points of view, and to do some relationship with other people to work in one only type of research. So this can be better and enrich the topic. About the method also, it implies that this triangulation can be presented in a way or processed in a way that we can do a lot of different techniques or apply techniques and use, for example, observation or do interviews and also apply surveys. So it's not only one method, but we can use different to have this better information. Okay, then in theoretical triangulation, it means also that when we are going to have or collect all this document, we can use different points of view to try to better understand and to draw conclusions. And the data, okay, data also, it has to be with the time and social situations. Then it not only can be collected once, but also it can be collected in different times. So we can have some information and we can compare if there are some difference or no between these 2 points of on a line time. Okay. Then so as a conclusion of this topic, we can say that the triangulation is the combination of multiple methods, data types, observers, and theories in the same research study. Okay, also it is important to learn some elements about analyzing data. Data analysis is the final stage of research. Of course, first we apply the different instruments, then we need to get this information and we have to organize the data and order the study. And after that, we compare all this information that we have that at that time, and we compare it with objectives that we predetermined at the beginning of the study. And in some cases, according to the method we are using, we can have only a question, or we can have the hypothesis. Then we can also confirm it or not. And of course, we can always draw conclusions after doing all this. One of the most important types of elements and to have all this data and analyze this data is through the descriptive research. Descriptive research is generally analyzed by means of descriptive statistics. The most common approaches in this field are frequencies, central tendencies, and variabilities. Then let's check. Okay, frequency and central tendencies. These are used to indicate how often a phenomenon occurs. And these are the most important. Central tendency measures provide information about the average and the typical behaviors of subjects. The mean is the sum of all scores, subjects in the group divided by the number of subjects, of course. And the mode is the score which has been obtained by the largest number of subjects. For example, the most frequent score in the group. And then now, okay, others that we can find here is the median, and is the score which divides the group into two parts. And also there is other variability, provides information of the difference or spread of the behaviors, and it indicates how homogeneous or heterogeneous the groups are. Another measure of variability used in statistical analysis is the variance, which is the standard deviation score. Okay, so these are some examples of this type of method and to be used just to learn and understand how the data is represented, and then to obtain and draw conclusions that can match our expectations or not. And also, of course, to do some other elements or continue the activities in another type of study. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation. Bye.